What's going on, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you for stopping by. Now, there's something a little weird going on Amazon right now. Well, it is weird, but it's intentional. People are making more profit on selling items for less money. You would think it'd be the opposite. The more money you sell something for, the bigger profit it is, but that's not always the case. And we're going to look at that here in a second, and we're going to talk about why. The why of it is essentially Amazon has changed their fee structure to where anything under $10 has a lot lower fees than things that go above $10. So let's take an example. Let's look over here on Amazon and just get an example of this so we can see just how crazy this is and how much more money you could be making if you're not already taking advantage of this. So we just have just a random item here, some hairspray. This is dangerous goods, so you might not be able to do this FBA. Not a big deal. That's not what this video is about. This video is about checking out the difference between pricing over $9.99 or over $10 and then pricing under that on lower margin or lower sale price items. So let's just take a look here right off the bat. 1024 is what the buy box is on this item. So seller amp is what I'm using here to determine profit. It is going to default here because of my settings to 1024. Let's just say you pay $2 for this item. $2 for this item, sell it for 1024. You're going to be making $1.52. All right. Seller amp has this cool thing now where it tells you a low price fee, like, hey, this may be more profitable under $10, and it's very much more profitable under $10. So let's take this from 1024 and drop this down to $9.99. And if you look down here at the profit, it goes from $1.54 to $2.78. So it goes up over $1, like $1.20 something. Okay. But we're selling it for less. So we sell it for about a quarter less, right? About 25 cents less, and we make about $1.20 more. That is something you need to know and you need to pay attention to if you're selling items in this like 10 to 12 range. As a matter of fact, I think you'd have to go up to like 11, yeah, you got to go up to 1170 something to be able to make roughly what you'd be making at $9.99. So anywhere on this item between $9.99 and 1170, well, I'm sorry, between 10 and 1170, you're going to be making more just dropping it to $9.99. Now, if you go over that, then that's going to be different, right? If you could sell it for like 14, obviously you're going to be making more money profit wise than if you would sell it for $9.99. But there's that sweet spot that you need to be aware of. So you don't want to match the buy box in this case, right? Because this is the mistake that a lot of people are going to make and that you need to watch out for. A lot of people are just going to mindlessly go by the buy box for right now. Because this is so new, and they're going to say, oh, hey, 1024, yeah, we'll sell it for that, $1.52. Oh, we'll pass on it. Or they buy a bunch of them and they're okay with making $1.52. But you and me, we're smarter than that now, right? So we're going to do $9.99 and we're going to make $2.78. So we're going to be making $1.20 more than what the buy box is. And this is going to add up really quick, especially if you're selling like in bulk. If you're selling multiple items, so say you get 100 of these, right? I mean, why wouldn't you? They're a good sell rank, 29K, top 1%, 421 a month. That's a good sell rank. Paying $2, making $2.78. In my mind, I'd say, okay, for every two that I get, I'm making $5, right? So anyway, this is a good low profit item, I think. But if you sell 100 of these at over $10, you're only going to be making like $150, right? But if you sell them at the $9.99 with these lower fees, you're going to be making like $278 something. So you're making 100 plus more dollars over the length of that 100 items, right? Does that make sense? So when you're selling volume, every cent, every dollar is going to really add up. So you really want to make sure you're not just blindly going into the buy box here and then missing out on some good profit with that lower fee structure. So I hope this helped you all, because I know that when this first happened, the $10 fee structure, it's replacing what was the small and light program, which depending on when you're watching this, you may have no idea what that was. It was a good program. You got a discounted shipping rate or discounted like fee structure for items that were like $12 and under, but you had to auto enroll them. So if you forgot to do it, you were just hosed. This, you lose that like 10 to 12, but you get auto enrolled. Well, you're not even really enrolled. It's just the fee structure for under $10 is a lot cheaper. So keep that in mind. Go out there and find some products. Knowing this, knowing that if you sell under $10, that it is going to give you a higher amount of profit than if you sell it like maybe it's like in this case 1170. That may change some items that you think, I'm not going to get that, but you may end up getting it anyway because now you know the fee structure has changed and some of the benefits that come with that. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for stopping by. If you like videos like this, make sure to leave a comment, sub to the channel. Thank you so much. I've been missing for a while if you've been following, but that's just because I've been really busy doing my Amazon business. So, yep, been putting the work in. Now I'm going to try to get a few more videos out to maybe help people and just build the community. So, thank you again for stopping by. Don't forget to sub. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I'll catch you all later.